In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view site history on Wix. This will be particularly useful if you're looking to track changes, revert to a previous version of your website, or simply review the history of edits and updates. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix website editor. This is the central hub where you create and manage your Wix websites. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access the editor. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying your Wix sites. Click on the site you want to work with, and it will take you directly to the editor interface. Now that you're in the Wix website editor, you'll notice a menu at the top of the page. On this menu, there's an option labeled Site. Clicking on Site will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your website. It's a good idea to get familiar with this menu as it provides access to essential tools and settings for your site. From this drop-down, you'll want to look for an option called Site History. Site History is where Wix logs all the changes and updates that have been made to your site over time. It's an invaluable tool for understanding how your site has evolved and can be particularly helpful if you need to revert to an earlier version due to a mistake or other issues. So go ahead and click on Site History. You'll then be taken to a new screen that shows a detailed list of all the changes that have been made to your site. Each entry is timestamped, allowing you to see exactly when each change occurred. You'll also see details about who made the change, which can be very helpful if you have multiple collaborators working on your site. Take a moment to scroll through the list and familiarize yourself with how the site history is organized. Next, to delve deeper into the specifics of any entry on the list, you'll see an option labeled Go to Site History. Clicking this will allow you to view more details about a specific change, and in some cases, you can choose to restore a previous version of your site from this list. Restoring is as simple as clicking a button, but remember, doing so will undo any changes made after that point in time, so it's a good idea to be sure this is what you want to do. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and navigated the site history on Wix. This tool is an excellent way to manage your changes proactively and ensure your site remains in line with your vision. Remember to make use of this feature whenever necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help.